In this video, I'm going to show you how complete beginners are starting to earn money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how complete beginners are earning money online. And by the way, guys, this is something that you don't want to miss. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that you aren't gonna miss anything. First of all, I'm gonna show you some testimonials so you can see, like, for example, we have here Stacy. She made her fourth and fifth sales with digital products. Uh, Everett is making another sale. Tips for new inside. We have here Clark who make a sale. We have Jerry. We have Danica. She made the first of many. Okay, someone purchased her ebook, Christina, because you're gonna see so many ways in which you can have your stream of incomes here. Okay, here we have made 20 sales in just 2 days. This is actually incredible. And you can see more and more and more testimonials. But what is this all about? Well, I'm going to be doing a review about Royal Business Academy. So you can see here you have the community and also you have some training. And this is product. It's totally different with what I've seen before because this one came with the master results, right? But it's a low ticket product. Right now, if you decide to purchase it, it's going to be literally just $29. But let me share with you what exactly it's inside so you can see like the value is actually really high. Okay, number one, you're going to have the opportunity to resell the product and you're going to earn 100% of the commission. Number two, you're going to have or you're going to be part of the mentorship program. Okay, sometimes they do have classes. It's what is actually really amazing. It's a Roy Bot Mentor. Okay, this, if you has been struggling creating content, writing email marketing, getting ideas to grow your business, Roy Bot is definitely going to help you. And this is actually exclusive for Royal Business Academy members or RBA members. Okay, if you want to learn how to set up your online store, all about mindset because that's actually really important. You're going to see here the Zoom replays. Since you're going to have a business, you're going to learn about customer service, business foundation, business branding, business automation, contracts. Here you're going to have access to more than 50 training with different business models. Okay. Here you're going to have access to over 20,000 PLR products that you can sell as your own and you can make 100% of the commission. I can tell you guys that this, if you price it at just $1 right now, easy, this is going to be a $20,000 product. Okay. And as I told you before, it's way less than $30 at the time recording this video. If you want to learn how to do faceless content, definitely this is for you about online marketing, how to master sales, how to create lead magnets, email marketing. And I'm going to put a pause here because you can combine these skills. Okay. You can actually offer this as a service. You can create and learn how to create lead magnets. And you can also get customers like, hey, I do everything. I do email marketing and also I'm going to create the lead magnets for you. Etsy, which is an amazing marketplace. 10 different ways in which you can actually earn money with Amazon. Okay. Different business models like trucking and logistics. Here about crypto. Here you're going to learn about real estate. You're going to learn about affiliate marketing, branding. Here you're going to find also testimonials with which people who are taking this training and they become licensed life insurance agent because, man, this is really incredible and they are adding more value. Okay, you're going to learn about staffing agency, business funding, grants for a small business, learn how to write and winning grant proposals, be a PLR representative, how you can be, featured in different magazines and all stuff. how to do a business on demand model, digital marketing, healthcare. Man, there is a lot of information, as I tell you here, okay, for just a bare price. And as you can see, they are updating more modules. Okay, they're adding more information. So this is definitely an opportunity that you don't want to miss. Okay. And just in case that you're like, hey, Diana, but this is a lot. How do I actually get started if I decide to go ahead? Start here with the roadmap. Here on the roadmap, they have everything categorized. So you can be like, okay, I want to learn everything about business. Okay, this is the model. I want to learn everything about PLR. Okay, these are the models that I have to check. Okay, I want to learn everything about the massive research, right? How does this work? Here they have. Okay, I want to learn, is there other mini products? Okay, here you have. So you can start definitely with the roadmap. Okay, and here on the calendar, okay, you can see when they go live. Okay, so you have everything here for literally just $29. You have the community with support. You have live classes. Okay, you have, I can tell you, different streams of incomes. You can combine these different streams of incomes. Okay, you can recommend this product to another person, and if literally if you just make one sale, you're going to be breaking even. So literally there is no excuses. This is a great opportunity. At the time recording this video, as I mentioned, it's literally just $29. So if you have been waiting for an opportunity to earn some extra money, if you have been waiting for an opportunity to give you, you know, like a starting point, if you're struggling to creating content because maybe you have other products as in the past, hey, go with the Roy bot. Trust me, this bot by itself, it's way more than the $29. But you need to take action, guys. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can join this opportunity. And don't miss the opportunity to be part of the Royal Business Academy, okay? So this is it for this video. I do hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.